In this video, we are going to learn how to make same changes in a lot of sheets, in multiple sheets which are present in the same worksheet. Say we want to make changes to sheet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and what we want to give is a heading. So what we can do is we can make the change in one sheet, then copy paste into the other, or the other method is we can select all the sheets together by pressing Ctrl. Now, whatever changes we will make in one sheet will reflect in the other. Say we want a title here. So we type title. Now, these many cells should have the color dark. The text color is supposed to be white. The size of the title is to be increased to 14 and it should be center aligned. So we take merge and center. Then we want a sort of table. So serial number here, description at this place, cost at this place. This thing we want to make center aligned, so we put center line. Then the size of description is supposed to be more, so we do this way. And say we want for the time being these many cells to have borders, so we put borders here. So these were the changes which we wanted in all the sheets. So we could have done it in a single sheet and then copied, or the way we have done here is we have selected all the sheets and then done the changes. Now click on that part again and you will find that sheet 2 also have the same changes, sheet 3, sheet 4 as well as sheet 5. Say we want some more changes to be done, and say we want numbers here, so 1, 2, we just type it for the time being, and we want them to be center aligned. So again we can deselect by selecting one of the sheets. So you can see same changes have occurred in this sheet also. So basically, if you want to make changes to multiple sheets within a worksheet, then you can select all the sheets and do the changes. The changes will appear at the same location in all the sheets. I hope you will find this helpful. Thank you.